I'm Riya Motiani. Monica and Lavina have come to give me Reiki. I felt very relaxed and very peaceful after having it. After taking the medication, I had many changes in my body. Couldn't sleep very well in the night. But that day I slept very well after Reiki.
How do you feel now? We both have come to give you healing.
I'm feeling very nice. Very
Do you feel
relaxed.
warm or?
Very warm and nice. So peaceful. And I'm blessed. I'm feeling like otherwise many things were happening in my mind. I was very disturbed that I'm just sleeping down the whole day. But now I'm feeling very relaxed.
Good. That's very good, and we'll keep giving you the Reiki.
Thank you.
Our group will continue sending you healing.
Thank you so much.
That will definitely help you. Thank you, Riya.
Thank you.
That's us.
Just wanted to rest. But she's a heavy cat. Either a small video or
Yeah, I'm doing a video so I can get everyone.
thank you.